Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to watch Beanie Sheena Core Moments I Think About a Lot. So hindi ko na ito patatagalan kasi we all know na si Sheena is effortless magpatawa. So let's start. The queen of emojis. Chef Sheena.
Okay, we flip it. Oh my god, it's
Diba nandun din ko sa mga funny moments. Nandun na ba? O sa TikTok ko nakita.
it's fine. You know, I like my hands look black. I like it when
Okay.
it's not fully burned. It's totally burnt. Hala! Hala! Ano pala ako ng kanto? Oh my god, guys. Black na, guys. Uy! Ano? Naan ko.
Buta hindi narinig kaya ni Colette yun. Yung sinabi ni Sheena. Kasi kung narinig niya yan, maghaharit mo siya.
Don't talk ha when your mouth is full. I'm not joking. It's burnt.
Oh my god, what is that?
Ako
Oh
yung
my
gusto
God!
ng hotdog ko parang
What
medyo
is that?
tosta. Or parang hindi naman yung ganito tosta.
You know, just cooking my burnt hot dog.
Nagalit si ate Colette. Magalit yung ate.
Seconds earlier.
Sino magaling magluto sa Beanie? Magaling?
Sino? Stako.
Laman?
AKA.
Nag-graduate na ako college niya.
Graduate ka na?
Nag-graduate na. Naiyak ako.
Naiyak ka. Mag-A ka muna
Yung iiyak yung paiyak ka na tapos the mother of A.
We are here with you and you are here with us.
Dog show ka talaw.
Uy, pero ano din, Sheena's performance. That's machine. Ano na ba yung comment nyo kay Sheena? Wala ba ako spectacular?
Ginos to match.
Sa A.
B. Sean.
Paano ko nga ginawa yun? Na-awkward.
Oh my God! Naka-cringe pa rin ako pag nakikita ko yung mga boy version nila. Hey! Pogi! She can do both.
May lagnat ka ba?
May lagnat ka.
Lasing. Ano bang meron? Nagagawa ng kubo. Ayoko na guys. Sorry, nag-take over yung kuya ko.
Sheena's advice.
Sheena, para sa ating mga kamorkada, ano bang pwede mong i-advise sa mga pupunta this weekend? Diba?
Parang alam nila yung mangyayari.
Yes.
Yes, you should wear sunscreen if you don't want to get burned. Kasi I'm burned.
Wait lang.
Kasi
Yung mga mukha ni Jo, ni Colette, ni Gwen, ni Maloy, parang alam na nila yung mangyayari.
I'm burned. Want to get burned? Kasi I'm burned. And bring snacks. Kasi baka yung resort na pupuntahan mo overpriced.
True.
If you wanna see under the sea, bring goggles. Yes, and magdala kayo ng sariling shampoo and sabon.
Oh my God!
Okay.
Para hindi kayo nagsisigawan sa CR.
Parang ganun sila.
Experience ba ito, Shayna?
Parang from experience ka.
Mag-offer na mag-extend yung Beanie. Would you extend?
No!
Yung tawa ni Aya. May kaya ka ba?
Boy, joke lang yun guys ha. Baka akalaan naman.
Globe, gusto ko 50 years yung Beanie.
Jungwon or Beanie?
Jungwon! Jungwon all the way! Who are you?
Ay. Grabe yung bare face. Breaking news.
Hala! We were killed!
Diba AU?
News update. 8 magkakaibigang patay sa sunog sa Baguio City.
Anong AU to?
Nagpipiniro trip lang naman kami. Oh no, knock on wood.
Side.
Na ako next year, Blooms. Hindi na ako tatawa.
Sobrang nakakadala yung tawa ni Shi.
Alam mo yun?
Nationality expert.
Nationality!
North Korea. Oh my gosh, magkatabi ba yung Bisaya doon? Oo nga, Kaya ba? Kaya na eh.
Can you share it to us? No. Wala pa kasi silang sagot daw kasi.
Init!
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Init talaga.
Diba, effortless talaga magpatawa. Me, myself.
It's me. I'm a solo stan. It's fine! I love me.
Spirit animal.
If I would be an animal, I would like to be a cat or a tiger. Because
Lapit ni.
Because it's Jungwon and Nikki.
because I want to be a cat. You can meow.
Of course, she.
If you're a tiger, you can roar. Roar? Roar? Tiger. Ay, sorry. Ano ba yung tiger?
Tiger.
Meow but bigger.
Why do you... Bakit gusto mo mag-meow?
I want to meow so that I can contribute to the world.
Noise pollution.
When you can meow, like in the kitchen is mad, I can meow like the worms here in our house that eat this. They can substitute. They can melt into a mountain, and the gas solid, I need you is equal to y-axis.
It's the way sabayan ng members yung kalokohan ni Sheena. Yung ano talaga eh, parang sanay na sila.
Okay, thank you.
They are used to it. Oh my gosh, this na. Sobrang net ni She dito tsaka ni Joe. Gaya-gaya nila. This one.
Sabihin ko pa lang na ano eh.
Itaga mo sa pagtaga mo. Eh di wag mo itaga. Ayaw niya pala eh. Eh di wag. Wag na. Tataga pa eh.
Blooms? Blooms, hello? Blooms?
Cute.
Blooms? Blooms? Blooms, hello?
Top model siya. Eh.
Excuse me. Hi. What's your name?
I'm Sheena.
Can I take a photo of you?
Sure po.
Okay.
Oh my God. Sleeping Beauty. Cute ni Miss.
Hala, nakatulog ako.
Cute siya ito sa mga baby pictures. Wait, what? Malay version next. Ooh, thank you so much for this video. Malay version next naman daw. Oh my gosh, I'm seated. I super enjoyed it. So, ayan, sobrang nakakatawa tong compilation ni She. And kung gusto nyo panoodin guys yung original video, nasa description itong video na to yung link. So, panoodin nyo na, i-like nyo na, and mag-subscribe na kayo. Uploaded by Commotion. So, ayan, and abangan natin yung Maloy version daw next. Grabe, sobrang, di ba, pag nanood ka ng mga funny moments nila, lalo na kay She, matatawa ka talaga kasi sobrang effortless, and yung tawa talaga ni Sheena, yung alam mo yun, nakaka-good vibes. Tapos, parang siya talaga yung, parang bunso vibes talaga yung mga ganun eh, yung nakakatawa, and then effortless. So, that's it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Annyeong! Hey!